Hey, future millionaire. My name is Kriwara Finance, and I become a millionaire within a 2 year thanks to the power of online business and social media. I don't care who you are. You need to start an automated online business. It only take you 10 to 20 minutes fully set up to as a complete beginner, and the earning potential is ultimate. So no excuses. The best way to build an automated online business is by creating something one time and then allowing that to make money for the next 5 to 10 years, all on autopilot. This is what I call building a digital asset. Ton of people are starting then online business strategy and seeing crazy result. So if they can do it, so why can't you? You gives already know I am no special than any of guys. So if I could you do make myself, you could too. It's the best business model because you don't trade off your time for money. You can start with a little to money. You can scale without ultimate limit, and you can run this from anywhere. In this world, online business automated has never been easier thanks to power of AI that we have, which means your business can run 24 by 7 and you can do it while you sleep, travel, work, your day job, or spend time with your family. It's literally like having a free co-workers. Now there are two directions you can take this business: digital product or physical product. Both of these are automated, both of these are profitable. Let me show you how simple it's so set up to both these. So automated business idea number of one is selling digital product. Digital product are one of the best automated business model because it's only takes you can do it time to create this digital product, and then you can then store, sell them ultimate amount of times over the next 5 to 10 years. No inventory, no shipping, and no consistent full time, and you can do it using this one AI tool. This AI tool everybody is taking and using this called the trend assist AI. What it's called the trend assist AI. This AI tool will be help you assist. You can drive, write, and fully digital product for you. You can do retrieve and make. It's a perfect all through the AI digital product. Why right? You can review it's all there here. Then you can go the down here to pick one the digital product and template in your section. You can get your profitable and digital product. You can done with the minute. Then you can do use the integration assistant. You can see it's generated down the marketing strategy for you, and tone a marketing strategy for your, and even create your social media post, writes a caption, ads, and promotion script to can you launch it to start marketing right away. Again and again, this is not automation. This is a literally building a digital asset for your that you can sell or the next 5 to 10 years. So not only does it help you, maybe it was ideas, not doesn't build your entire digital product for your, but even help you to start a marketing and getting the sales. If you guys want to use this, I did put this down in my description and blogs below, or you can just Google trend assist AI. So this trail tool is really great and differently recommended it for you beginner wanting to get this into the digital product space. It's much earlier than you having to come with me everywhere. Everything you can your own writing the entire thing on your own, and this is all about the being the store everything. Actually market is so definitely recommended checking it out. If you guys want a few fully step-by-step course digital products, I actually made one for you guys. It is on my YouTube channel, so I will make sure to think that down below in my description box. Automated business ideas number two is AI niche store. Over 2.6 billion people are shop online, and that's a 33% of the global population growing that single year. This is your chance to get a place of that your zero to inventory, zero shopping headlines. You can use this free AI power online store system that build your portfolio, your business online store for your socket with your winning product and automatic shipping to full place for day by day. One I will show you how to do the right show. So to get started with this, just go to description box and down you will see the right there is become the AI store building. Click that link to below top of my description, and after you will click this link, it will be into the page, an entire page which will email address, name, niche, better, and fashion pairs elements. You can now garden, sports, and fitness. Without any category, you can start your business and go through this step-by-step process. Here, it's going to work through are a single there is need. Even this is very beginner friendly, so don't be afraid to this try the one. You will everything actually come this page where you will sign in and order automatically, and you can even see here they have a product with the fast shipment. Some just even just 2 day, which is insane for a drop shipping. You can also custom brand your product through their system if you want to level up later, like actually brand all of your product. And I know there is a lot of to this. So again, actually made a step-by-step free course for you guys on my YouTube channel, just dedicated to this automated business model. So you again, I will put the free course for you guys down in my description below box if you want to decide this route. Now, step by step 3, which is getting a sale. Should you run the ads? No, don't do this paid ads for beginner. I personally know the people that spend thousands of dollars in ads and didn't get a single sale or just wanted money. So refusing for to do this personally become a billionaire. In the 2 years become a mastered in one single skill. That your skill was organic marketing, which means money that you make a drive through free social media traffic. Now do not click anywhere that when you are here social media you need to stop guessing that will be having billions of entire playlist on my YouTube channel for that to call how you get sales. So no matter which you can have a start, and no matter you can refer the playlist to master organic marketing, and you can sell without playing in ads, which is exactly how I become a millionaire in a 2 year. How I literally share all of my strategies 100% free for you guys, and I ask you exchange for this free education guys. I just a small like button for YouTube and algorithm as a subscriber to my channel, and so I continue to create a free course and videos for you guys just like this. Wishing you guys all the best for your online business journey, and I just wish you guys in a next free course. So bye bye everyone.